This is not just a Honda. This is a full race machine built for the streets. Today, we're looking at the Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP. And trust me, this thing is absolutely insane. The moment you see this bike, you can tell it's inspired by MotoGP. Sharp bodywork, aggressive stance, and those aerodynamic wings. This doesn't look like a normal bike. Under the hood, this beast packs a 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, producing around 214 horsepower. That's serious power. I twist the throttle, and it launches like a rocket. This bike isn't just fast, it's brutally fast. The acceleration hits instantly, and before you realize, you're already flying. And the sound. High-revving engines scream, pure racing dene. This is the kind of sound that gives you goosebumps. Honda didn't hold back on tech. You get riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and a full-color TFT display. This is a smart machine, not just powerful. Now, let's be honest, this is not a comfort bike. The riding position is aggressive, and it's clearly built for performance, not cruising. So, is it worth it? If you want comfort, no. But if you want a bike that feels like a race machine, this is one of the best Hondas ever made. Would you ride this beast?